What's up,
Hey, what's up, bro? How you doing? Hop in. No, this door doesn't work anymore.
Doesn't work?
You gotta go around, yeah. From the back, Yeah, there you go. Come on in, buddy. Come on in. How's it going, guys? Chris here of TheSupercarSuspects. Hope you guys are having a great day. I've had this Evo for almost 2 years now, and it's been at the 900 horsepower stage for about a year or so now. I used to make a lot of videos with it. The Corvette kind of replaced it, but I've been seeing your guys' comments. You guys want to see some 350Z videos. You guys want to see Evo X videos. So today will be the review. Tomorrow we're going to be scaring all of my closest friends you guys haven't even seen on the channel before with this car and see how they react to it. Just a little reminder for the newer subscribers. We've actually gained 200,000 to 300,000 subscribers since the last Evo X video, which is absolutely insane. But thank you guys for the non-stop support. I'm gonna give you guys a quick rundown of the car and then let's hit the road. The car was built by JRP Performance. I'm on the EFR 9174 turbo kit. We're making about 700 wheelers so on E85, and right now we're on E90, so we're making about 850 to 900 wheel horsepower at 700 torque. So ton of fun for the street. So when you start the car, you gotta hold this on-off button right here, and if you pay attention to the dash right here, it jumps to 1000 RPM, which means the car is in max boost setting. On the road again. All right, first pull in the last few months. Let's get it. I forgot how insane. Holy shit. That scared me. Alright, we're at the car wash now.
Why is in here? Close the window. Oh, I can't.
Ooh, I can't fucking close it.
Maybe it's a mosquito. It is a mosquito.
No, it's not.
It's
not a mosquito,
It
bro.
is.
Get the fuck out of my car. But if you guys couldn't tell where we are, my second home here, we gotta wash the car. Alright, look, here's the issue, bro. We gotta wash the car, but we're missing this. The battery's right here. So, how this is gonna go, I don't quite know yet. This is getting fucking serious. Take my phone. Everyone just uses this car wash every day to wash their cars, but nobody thinks, how's the car wash feeling? Maybe it wants to be car washed. Can I get some water? Yeah, no worries, bro. Thank you. No worries, bro. No worries, brother. Have a good day, man.
You gotta wax it real good to get this carbon fiber looking really nice. See, it gets the job done.
Converse.
Converse.
No! If this video gets 42 likes, I'll shower here. I gotta drive manual right now, and this is my clutch foot here, and we might be sliding all over the place. All right, next stop, we go to Ronnie's house, replace a coupler on this car, which is the last final missing piece on the car to make it brand new and ready for the next owner. The man, the myth, the legend. New coupler, baby. He just asked what happened to the shoe. Watch the video, you'll find out what happened to our shoe. Yeah, we washed the car like that.
Not very smart.
Good idea.
Over there just like
no, we were spraying the. He was spraying the battery back there.
Oh, fantastic.
I washed the battery.
Yeah, good shit, bro.
Well, you guys,
You guys didn't know this man right here built my Evo from scratch, from absolutely bone stock to how it is right now. So appreciate that.
what Chris is trying to get to is I'm actually going to open up a shop. So if you guys remember Chris actually brought his car to JRP Performance when I was a co-owner over there, so I built and tuned the car for him. Now I'm gonna have my own shop, which is gonna open on September 1st, Speed Lab Performance, and we're gonna be servicing San Fernando Valley, so all the Evo guys, Super guys, you know, whatever you guys need. It's gonna be a full service shop, A to Z. We got a mainline dyno on the way, hub dyno, so.
Can you install intakes?
That's gonna be a little bit challenging, but I'll do my best. There's YouTube, so, you know, I have Wi-Fi access.
You can install my intake?
I think I can do that, yeah. Does it come with an instruction manual?
No.
I'll have to make a couple phone calls.
Okay. My shoe dried up. How's yours looking?
Still wet.
I hear it squeaking. I think now you guys can notice why we want to change this coupler over here. Yeah, it's burned from the manifold and it's ripped right in half over there. It was still boosting, but why not put a new one on, huh?
Or I can just fucking leave it like this. It'll just, you know, since there's gonna be no intake, it's gonna be less restriction for you.
Perfect.
Yeah.
That's it.
There's gonna be no boost leaks because there's gonna be no boost, so.
I'm sure he'll know, but...
Chris, what is this? Are you serious? Is this you now?
It's the mom mobile, bro. Come on.
Where's the mom? Hello? Are you in here? I love MILFs.
All right, guys, we did a few pulls with the Evo. We washed the car. We went to Ronnie's, replaced the coupler, and now we're here at Tamir's house, and we got a little special delivery for today's video. So as you guys can tell by the title, the main part of this video is this carbon fiber diffuser installed for the Corvette.
Oh, Chris.
This is what we'll be installing today, buddy.
Oh my, oh, is this more carbon? Oh, bro. Come on, bro. What is this? Dude, this has to be a body in here, bro. Come on, man, why is it not coming out? What now, Chris? Don't do this.
I got something for the
Chris,
car.
I already saw your dead body in here. I don't need to see any more dead bodies, Chris.
I got a little surprise for you, Tamir.
Oh,
come on, come on. Come look, take a look at this.
Oh, come on, Chris.
What is this, Chris?
Oh! Oh! Bro! What the hell?
What is this?
That better not be yours,
It
Chris.
is mine.
No, give me that, Chris. What?
The new wheels for the Corvette have came, so Tamir's nutting over them.
What do you mean, Chris? You don't need these. These are mine.
Here, I'll just get it from here.
Chris, yeah. You can just get them from my room if you want.
We got the body out of here.
Dang, it's about time you took your body out. Where do you want to put it? Where do you want to bury it, Chris?
And ladies and gentlemen, here we have the brand new carbon fiber diffuser for the Corvette.
Woo. Come here, carbon, Chris.
We're gonna be here for a while. It's a nice crisp 100 degrees outside.
Oh, come on, Chris. We don't have to do this.
Come on, Chris.
Chris,
I want to
please,
go sleep.
Chris, stop sleeping on the job, Chris.
So Chris, if you fall asleep, I'm taking your rooms. Hope you know that.
What the fuck did you say?
Nothing, Chris. I said this is a really easy job and nice bumper you have here. I wish there wasn't so much carbon, but I love carbon now.
In the shade, it's nothing special, but let's move this out to the sun and see how.
Give us some sun, Chris. Oh, Chris, it's too loud. Oh my God, shame on you. Woo! Yeah, Chris. Oh, fuck.
fire.
Dang.
Jesus Christ.
Chris, are you sure you need that?
I gotta wash the car. Tomorrow's video, we wash the car. I know it's absolutely filthy, but it's gonna be nice and hot outside, Todd. So we'll wear our bathing suits and we'll go wash the car. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As you guys could tell, this is the first upload of September. September 1st, you guys are watching this. We're gonna be on a steady, every other day upload grind throughout September, October, November, December, till the end of eternity. Every other day I figured out is the perfect balance for me so I don't get burnt out. And you guys get tons of content. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you, buddy.
You already know, man.
Thank you to Todd behind the camera for helping out with everything. I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Boom.